PRINCE2 Overview Program, Tailoring PRINCE2 to the project. Now we come to an important aspect of PRINCE2, tailoring the methodology to suit agile environments. Traditionally, PRINCE2 has been associated with waterfall or sequential project management, but it's actually quite flexible. PRINCE2 Agile certification shows us how well it can integrate with agile methods like Scrum or Kanban. So how do they work together? PRINCE2 gives us strong governance and control. Things like defining project roles, responsibilities, and the business case. It ensures we know why we're doing the project and what the high-level outcomes should be. On the other hand, Agile handles the day-to-day development work. It focuses on iterative delivery, flexibility, team collaboration, and fast feedback. Basically, it defines how the work gets done. So together, PRINCE2 and Agile create a powerful balance of structure and adaptability. Let's now look at some specific examples of how PRINCE2 can be tailored in agile environments. 1. Management stages, a single PRINCE. Two-stage might include several agile sprints. The project board approves the stage as a whole, while agile teams deliver incrementally within it. This allows structured governance with flexible delivery. 2. Controls. The project manager uses agile tools like burn-down charts and velocity to track progress. These are used as part of PRINCE2's controlling a stage process. 3. Documentation. PRINCE2 documentation can be lightened in agile setups. Instead of traditional documents, agile artifacts like product backlogs and sprint reviews are used. 4th roles. Agile roles such as Scrum Master and Product Owner work closely with Prince, two roles like Project Manager and Senior User. This collaboration ensures alignment between governance and delivery. Real-world example. Imagine a large bank developing a mobile app. They use PRINCE2 for governance and alignment, but actual development is done using Scrum within each PRINCE2 stage. The PRINCE2 project manager regularly checks the sprint progress to ensure everything aligns with the business case. This is crucial. PRINCE2 is not rigid. You tailor it to fit the project. For a small, simple project, use a lighter touch, less paperwork, combined roles. For a huge, complex project, you'd apply its full power with detailed documents and strict controls. The goal is to get the right amount of governance, not too much, not too little. This slide talks about PRINCE2 documentation, especially the business case, which is one of the most important documents in any project. PRINCE2 defines many types of management documents, but the format doesn't matter. What matters is understanding the purpose of each document. Let's take a closer look at the business case. 1. Purpose. It explains why the project is being done, what benefits are expected, what the costs and risks are, and whether the project is viable and achievable. 2. Content. It includes executive summary, reasons for the project business options, like do nothing, do minimum, or do the full project, expected benefits and disbenefits, project timeline, cost, ROI, and risks. 3. Example. Imagine a company planning a new CRM system. The business case would explain why it's needed, what financial and non-financial benefits it will bring, the estimated cost, and key risks. In PRINCE2, this business case is continuously updated and reviewed throughout the project lifecycle. Now let's look at two more important PRINCE2 documents, the PID and the Risk Register. First, the PID or Project Initiation Documentation. 1. Purpose. The PID defines the project and its baseline. It acts as the single source of truth for both the project manager and the project board. It's like a contract, confirming what the project will deliver and how. 2. Content. It includes the business case, the project plan, the team structure, and strategies for quality, risk, change control, and communication. It also contains how the project will be controlled. Third example. Think of it as a complete folder, or a digital document set that brings together all planning details, authorized by the project board before the project actually begins. Now, the risk register. 1. Purpose. It helps identify and monitor all project risks so that we can manage them effectively. It ensures risks don't go unnoticed. 2. Content. This includes each risk's ID, date identified, description, category, probability, impact, risk owner, planned actions, and status. 3. Example. Usually, this is a spreadsheet or a tool in project management software where all risks are listed, with what actions are being taken to reduce or manage them. A small marketing agency might use a shared Google Doc for their business case and PID, an Excel spreadsheet for their risk and issue registers, and Trello boards to manage their work packages, tasks. A large engineering firm might use Microsoft Project for detailed planning, and a dedicated enterprise project management EPM system that has modules for all PRINCE2 management products and reporting.